If you're craving a little peace and relaxation with great views of the water, but not far from home, have I got a spot for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Lake Whitney State Park here in Central Texas. Today we're going to check out the camping areas, the hiking trails, and the lake itself, everything you need to plan your next visit. Lake Whitney was created back in the early 1950s when the Whitney Dam was built on the Brazos River. The main goal was flood control for downstream communities, but the lake quickly became a very popular destination, and a few years later, Lake Whitney State Park opened in 1965. It's just a 1-hour road trip to the park from either Dallas-Fort Worth or Waco. The reward is experiencing this one-of-a-kind park with crystal clear water and just a great place to relax with the family as you look out over 23,000 acres of water. Now, one of the biggest draws here is fishing. Lake Whitney is known across the state of Texas for its striped and largemouth bass and catfish. You can catch fish from the shore or by boat, and when you're done, this park has a cleaning station ready to go. If you're more into water fun than fishing, this lake is wide open for swimming, boating, or just about anything your mind can think of. On summer weekends, the water is clear, warm, and full of people having a good time. One of my favorite parts of the park is the day-use beach area. It's a gentle, sandy entry into the water, great for families and surrounded by shaded picnic tables. And because Lake Whitney is surrounded by limestone bluffs and rolling hills, the scenery from the beach is incredibly relaxing. On land, the park has easy walking trails that loop through oak woods and prairie. Wildlife is everywhere, from foxes and deer to beer bottle drinking armadillos. If you're coming into the park with an RV or tent, this park is set up perfectly. There's 7 camping loops with 164 sites. 43 of those just happen to be full hookup sites for all you RV glampers like me. Roomy, easy to back into, and spread out enough that you're not sharing your dinner table with your neighbor. Now, if you prefer not to bring your own sleeping arrangements, there's also 2 shelter loops with over 29 screen shelters available to rent. So if you're interested in coming to the park and you're wondering what the sites look like, you can log on to the Texas State reservation page, or you can watch these top sites we thought to be the best. We had Site 91 in the Bluebird Camping Loop, 50 amp electric and water. And on the campsite, beautiful views of the water, with our shelter and fire ring on the back side of the site. This is a perfect spot for watching all the water activities. If you're looking for a great escape in Central Texas, whether a weekend RV trip or a day on the lake, Lake Whitney State Park is absolutely worth the visit. Beautiful water, great fishing, roomy campsites, and a slice of Texas history. This park really does have it all. And lastly, I just want to thank everyone for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the tour, leave a comment about what you like best about Lake Whitney State Park. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.